The pain and turmoil of it all. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Friday, May the 14th. And, pretty painful, I would have to say. Considering we're short the board and everything is skyrocketing here, so it looks like another potential whipsaw. We'll see how this plays out in the next day or two. But right now, obviously, indexes are exploding higher. And, of course, this update is brought to you by one of our brokerage partners, that is Tradier Brokerage. We do have other brokers, but Tradier, for our money, for equities and options, $10 a month is the first thing. Okay. The second is great customer service. And third, we've got their APIs so we can automate your portfolio if you choose to. There's no requirement. There is no cost for it. It is a part of your membership. In the meantime, as we said, the equities are exploding. Gold, silver, and platinum are higher, which is a good thing. We would be long platinum. We don't trade anymore, but gold and silver, we're both long. The bonds and notes are higher, which we are long, and so those are looking up okay. The dollar is getting smushed, which we're short, so that's looking okay. Crude oil is exploding higher, which who knows why. But in the meantime, we're long, so that's a good thing as well. And copper has made a pretty dramatic turn. It was down about a nickel or so, and it's now up on the day. That's a pretty big turnaround for copper, and it looks like it wants to continue to go higher. And we're still long. Nat gas, we are long, and it continues to try to push its way higher, and is through that $3 level. So again, the big picture is always the same. We don't get involved or worried during the day. Any given day, we'll see if the trends change. We'll change with them. I mean, that's really what it always comes down to, is the overall trend and where we're going to be. In the meantime, grain markets, very interesting. Corn was up pretty big this morning. It's now down on the day, which is not a healthy sign. In fact, we reversed to short corn this morning. Soybeans are up 16 cents and wheat is higher. Yeah, but we also, did reverse the wheat as well. So at the end of the day, they looks like they may have temporarily peaked. I mean, personally, I still like them, but of course, I'm going to follow the algorithm only. And of course, the meats, the feeder cattle is slower. Okay, and again, that's why I go back to the corn's lower and feeders are lower. So that's 2 days in a row. You've got hogs are slightly lower suddenly, and fat cattle or live cattle is a little bit higher. So, again, it's pretty mixed and a fairly ugly picture at the moment. We're still fairly confident for the year, but you're going to go through these periods. You just can't beat them. And in the softs department, cotton is down. We are short. Coffee is flat. We are long. Sugar is higher. We're long. Cocoa is lower. We're long. And OJ is higher, and we're long. So, but the big picture, the big ugly picture, obviously, is the equities that continue to explode higher. So it looks like it's a potential another whipsaw here. We'll see. I guess maybe they just want to go higher, but. Again, we'll still see, right? We have not done anything yet, and we'll not be doing anything today either way. This could turn into a big ugly, or it can just it'd be a big ugly for the market or a big ugly for us. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner. It's the CTG Group, and of course, although we have other futures brokers as well, they are the only ones authorized for our letter of direction trading for our portfolio models and our algorithms. And of course, they've got terrific customer service. Some great new managed futures products that they're coming out with. And they do a great job for us, which is why they're our only partner. And if you want some more information, just go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. It's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, our great partnership with family farms. And days like this and periods like this are exactly what we're trying to always help our farming friends prevent against. And I just got the invite. Yes, I can't wait for the for the July event. So we'll be all together and hopefully sooner. But I'm looking forward to the Calcutta. And, of course, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. What can I tell you? I tell you this every day. It is by far the most comprehensive, best report you will ever see. If you're involved in commodities, you got to have this report from somebody who's traded them, both physicals and futures, for over 40 years and is pretty much always dead on. And our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you back here on Sunday morning with Bubba's Bottom Line. In the meantime, be careful out there. It's a rough one, and anything goes. We'll see you on Sunday, everybody. Have a great weekend.